Have you ever taken off your Quest 3 and started thinking, why is my face mad at me? The Quest 3 in itself is amazing, but the stock facial interface? Not so much. Comfort is one of the places where cost cutting really shows. So I went on a quest to find the best facial interface I possibly could. And after a long search, I found one that is really good. But how good is it really? Let's find out. Hi, my name is Christian, the creator of QCount, and today we will be talking about Globular Cluster F3 V3 magnetic facial interface for Meta Quest 3 and 3S. We are going to do this in 3 parts: unboxing, installation, and finally the review. Inside the box there are 3 different facial interface frames. These attach magnetically to your Quest 3 and 3S using the included magnetic frame base, which allows you to snap them on and off whenever you want to. And that is a real game changer. You also get 3 cushion types which you can swap at any time depending on what you like. So yeah, there are a lot of options. But are these options any good? And are these options better than the Quest 3 stock facial interface? Let's find out. Setting the Globular Cluster F3 V3 is pretty easy and straightforward, and it's even easier if you have a Halo type head strap, since you can swap cushions super fast. You just take them and swap magnetically, and then you are done. To remove the stock facial interface, take your headset and find the bottom of the area that sits on top of your nose. Now for the new interface. I am using the PU leather cushion from the base. Then take the base and install it the same way that you remove the stock one. Start from the bottom, push slowly, push around until you hear a click, and then do the same from the top. That's it, you're done. Now you can use any cushion you want, whenever you want, depending on what you need. The difference between the stock interface and this one is day and night. You feel it immediately. And the best part is, each cushion has a different feel and purpose. While the fabric cushion is the one that keeps you dry while playing, and the material absorbs sweat, which helps you feel fresh. It's my favorite one because to me it's easily the most immersive, and the fabric can also be washed, which is a huge plus. Breathable mesh, it's also another great option. It's comfortable, it absorbs sweat, and it's also washable. So keeping it fresh long term is easy. So actually, instead of being stuck with one okay option, you get to make choices that make sense depending on how you play. Now, you might have noticed the side openings. They are there for a good reason. You can leave them open for more airflow, less sweat, and to help you with issues like fogging. Or you can snap the blockers instantly with the magnetic interface. The side light blockers snap on immediately, so if you are playing in a bright room, you can block everything out. But if you still feel like you need more immersion, I have a surprise for you that will improve the comfort and immersion, so be sure to stick around. The double layered nose cover works the same way. Keep it on to block the light leakage from the bottom of the Quest 3, or remove it if it fits you better. In my opinion, this is a top tier product and a must have if you want to have the best mix of customization and comfort. The ability to customize for every needed situation or person is what makes it the best. Whether you use glasses or not, and whatever the shape of your head and nose is, does not even matter, because you can set it up the way that it fits you properly. However, there is a catch, and that is, the price is not the cheapest. It costs $50, and for a third-party facial interface, this can feel like a lot. But what I can say is that this facial interface will match, and for some people even surpass, your needs and expectations. The different setups, the soft and durable materials, the different frame sizes, and the fact that you can snap on and off on the go because it is magnetic, it just makes the whole experience much better. And for me, comfort during my VR sessions, be it gaming or any other kind of entertainment, is the #1 priority. And since this allows me to play longer with great comfort, I am happy to say that this will stay forever on my Quest 3. Me and my cat are here to present to you the Globular Cluster F3S Silicone Light Blocker. It's only compatible with Halo head straps. It does not fit or work with the stock head strap or with the Elite head strap. And it also does not work with Quest 3S. It attaches magnetically with the same F3 base, so switching between the other F3 pads and the silicone block, it's pretty easy. The silicone design gives you a snug fit and helps you relieve pressure points for longer sessions. And it's also easier to clean, just wipe it down. And compared to foam, it also feels cooler and more comfortable, especially in the warmer months. And there are 2 ways to buy it, depending on what you already own. If you don't have the F3 facial interface yet, you'll want the F3 with the base, which costs around $30. But if you already own the F3 base interface, then you will want to get the version without the F3 base since you already own it, and this will cost you around $20. So to sum it up, the Globular Cluster F3 V3 magnetic facial interface is a major comfort and customization upgrade over the stock Quest 3 facial interface. So to sum this up, the Globular Cluster F3 V3 magnetic facial interface is a huge upgrade over the stock Quest 3 facial interface, thanks to the magnetic swap system, multiple frames and multiple cushion options. And if you own a Quest 3 specifically and want more light blocking capabilities, more comfort and more immersion, and you are using a Halo head strap, the F3S silicone light blocker is a great upgrade to consider. Just don't forget to pick the right purchase option. If you already own the F3 base, with the base if you don't already own the F3 setup, or without the base if you already own the F3 facial interface. As always, all product links are in the description. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and also comment what do you think about this setup, and have you found anything better for comfort and immersion for your Quest 3. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.